Since the advent of the smartphones, one of the fastest that saw the least innovation and improvement is battery technology. It was lithium ion then and it is lithium ion now. But what smartphone brands have done is improve the charging speeds. We have large batteries charging at unreal speeds these days. But is it good for your battery or is it another way of planned obsolescence? That's what we hope to find out in today's video. Hey guys, this is Anantham from FTJ and let's roll. First, let's understand what charging is. In a typical lithium ion battery, we have two terminals, a positive and a negative. When the battery is charging, we have free electrons moving from the negative to the positive terminal. While discharging, it's the opposite. What fast charging does is hasten the process. That is, the electrons travel faster. Now, I personally am a huge fan of fast charging because I don't need to charge it overnight, and a quick top up during the day doesn't make me a wall hugger either. It's fast and efficient, and I usually don't care about the battery health because I would change my phone before the battery gives out. Having said that, I do wonder from time to time if I am actually screwing my battery health by doing this. Do I get lesser cycles if I fast charge? Phones these days don't come with user replaceable batteries, and some of them even explode. Hey Note 7, how are you doing? Now, a while back, there was a study conducted by Oppo that actually debunked the charge cycle myth. The studies prove that fast charging has no bearing on the number of cycles you can extract from any given battery. The speed of the charger doesn't affect the battery health. However, heat does. Not just the heat from the fast charger, but also the ambient room temperature. That logically means that if you are in a tropical place with two seasons, a hot summer and a really hot summer like Chennai, your battery isn't gonna be lasting too long as opposed to living in a place like, say, Bangalore. Now that you know that you all are gonna charge on an AC, aren't you? With this in mind, charging the battery while playing a game is also a huge no-no. Actually, doing anything while the phone is on charge is a no-no. Leave the damn thing alone at least then. You have been rubbing, tapping and squeezing it all day long. Wait a minute. The phone. Anyway, don't use your phone while it's charging. That's my point. And no, it's not gonna blow up. Hey again, Note 7. But it's gonna affect your battery health. Some phones like the ROG Phone 5 do come with fast charging, but this is a different scenario because it bypasses the battery and the components on your phone are powered directly from the wall. So you should be fine. What we have established is that fast charging doesn't adversely affect the charge cycle, but heat and ambient temperatures do. Now, there are also other schools of thought that preach not charging your battery to 100% each time. Now, this does have some merit. Charging your battery to 100% does eat up a charge cycle. So, on phones that have a large battery, it's a good practice to charge up to 80 to 90% rather than 100% each time. This isn't gonna keep your battery good forever. Don't be silly. It's a battery and it will die eventually. But this does extend your battery health if not the battery life percentage. While we are on the topic of fast charging, let me say that a 60-watt fast charger isn't two times as fast as a 30-watt fast charger. And a 120-watt charger isn't even close of being twice as fast as the 60-watt fast charger. We are talking about 5 to 10 minutes difference at best, and unless you are so busy that you can't spend an extra 10 minutes charging your battery up, springing for a super fast, dark, woke, quick lightning charger isn't worth the money and effort. Now, let me play devil's advocate here. What if you're gonna use any given phone for just a year or a year and a half and you're gonna switch to a new phone immediately? Does any of this matter? Frankly, no. Any battery on a modern smartphone is designed to last for at least 400 to 500 cycle at 80% capacity. So no, you don't have to worry if you're gonna use a phone for just 12 to 18 months only. For others planning to hang on to a phone for a longer time, we would advise charging the phone overnight using a slow charger, capping the max charge at 80% to give the phone more legs over a longer life cycle. Ideally, a 30-watt charger would give you the best of both worlds, a reasonably fast charge and lesser heat production, thereby giving you a better battery health. Also, it's worth noting that a higher capacity battery would last longer than a lower capacity one, thereby reducing the need to charge backing up frequently. Think about it, a 6000 mAh battery has more endurance than a 4000 mAh cell if all the other specs are the same. So for all of you guys who wish to be married to a phone for more than a year, get the one with the bigger battery and do not go past 30 watts in charging speeds. But honestly, the smartphone world is due for a massive breakthrough with respect to battery tech. Hopefully, graphene batteries could be a thing soon. Without going into this in detail and making this video unnecessarily long, I must stop here and it's a story for another day. With that, we get to the end of this quick little video. Please like and subscribe, and do let us know in the comments below what kind of fast charger do you really use. Until next time, this is Anandan from FTJ. Ciao.